Okay, okay, okay. First of all, it's your boy UG. Both middle fingers to the niggas that thought they knew me. Who me? My bad. You niggas is hella sad cause y'all niggas getting hella mad. I be doing my thing, nigga. I'm driving, I'm flying around, man. I'm just looking for my helipad. Helicopter land, couldn't find it. Living in a jet, life jet, man. Yeah, I'm feeling like I got a jetpack. All these niggas lame, all they know how to do is rat. Try to find me, you can't retire me. Feeling like the Iron Man, these main hoes eyeing me. Hey, just got a text. But regardless, I'm flowing off the dome, you couldn't even stop me. Sparring, feeling like a Spartan, amazing, it's phasing me. Never that, I'm on a new level to Phase Street. It's so amazing. Hit me in my dome, niggas couldn't daze me. I got a bunch of pills, got me on Phase 3. Don't hate me, you niggas hate to amaze me. The animosity growing inside of y'all is caging. But me, I'm outside raging. They let me off the leash, now I'm such a beast, raging, Cajun, feeling like I'm Asian. I slanted wide, you know how I'm doing my thing, man. You know how I do it. Straight dope fluid, spitting out the dome, and they said I couldn't do it, but I did it. Now I'm on, till them start the party. Nigga getting drunk, couldn't even find Bacardi. Sipping on some Nuvo, feeling like a hero. But they don't fall in love, cause they only spell Evo. You get it how I do it how I daro. Nigga getting money, call me Robert De Niro. Feeling like a Lincoln, feeling like a navigator. Niggas getting stupid, I tell them that they have to hate it, yeah. Feeling like a munchkin, hit his head in, stop it all like a pumpkin. Had to start recording, feeling like a Jordan, feeling like a beast, but I spear him like Spartan. No African, I'm in the track, do it how I want them. Got a girl on the back, and I get them how I want them, yeah. These name niggas to a donor, yeah. I'm a real nigga, couldn't even clone me if you want it. Tell a scientist to get up off it. DNA is not where you want it. Cause if you cage me, I swear I come out like a beast. I'm so amazing. Feeling like I'm raisins, fading. Hey, tell them lame niggas gotta spade me. But even with no balls, I still stand tall. If they said I couldn't do it, but I kill them all. I am still a dog, villain is feeling them all. Hey, hear me.